Welcome to ThinkCapital. Today we're going to explore the different account types available at ThinkCapital, so you can choose the one that best suits your trading style and goals. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, ThinkCapital has an account just for you. At ThinkCapital, we offer 3 distinct account types, each designed to meet the needs of different traders. We offer the Lightning Program, the Dual Program, and we also offer the Nexus Program. Now, let's break down what each of these account types offer so you can find the perfect fit for your trading style. First, let's talk about our Lightning Program. These are our one-step accounts, meaning that you only have to pass one phase to get funded. The main differences between the Lightning Program and the other programs are the number of phases, the profit target, the leverage, and the drawdown. The profit target for our Lightning Program accounts is 10%. So you will need to achieve 10% in order to get funded. The minimum trading days is also 5 days. Now, the leverage for Forex pairs is 130. For indices is 1.5. Commodities and oil is 110. And crypto is 1.1. Now, let's talk about drawdown. The daily drawdown is 3%, which is calculated at 5 p.m. EST, and it is based on balance. Remember, your equity and balance should not fall below the daily limit, or else your account will be breached. The maximum drawdown is 6% and is relative, meaning that it trails your balance and it does not trade backwards. This drawdown will trade your balance profits up until 6% or over. Once this happens, your maximum drawdown will be fixed to the original simulated account balance. Next account type is our Dual Program, which is our 2-step accounts. The main differences between the Dual Program and the Nexus Program is the number of phases and profit target. So, this program is made up by 2 phases. The profit target for phase 1 is 8%, and the profit target for phase 2 is 5%. The minimum trading days is also 5 days, and the leverage for Forex pairs is 100, for indices is 115, commodities and oil is 115 as well, and crypto is 1.1. Now let's talk about drawdown. The daily drawdown is 4%, which is calculated every day at 5 p.m. EST, based on balance. Now, the maximum default drawdown is 8%, which it can be increased to 10% if you purchase the account with the drawdown add-on. The maximum drawdown for the Dual Program is always fixed, and it will never trail your profits. The next and last account type is our Nexus Program, which is our 3-step account. The main differences between the Nexus Program and the Dual Program are the number of phases and the profit target. The minimum trading days, it is also 5 days. It has the same leverage as the Dual Program, which is 1 to 100 for Forex pairs, 115 for indices, also 115 to commodities and oil, and 1.1 for crypto. This program is made up by 3 phases. The profit target for phase 1 is 7%, for phase 2 is 6%, and for phase 3 is 5%. Now let's talk about drawdown. The daily drawdown is 4%, which is calculated every day at 5 p.m. EST, based on balance. Now the maximum drawdown is 8%, and this is also fixed, meaning that it will never trail your profits. And now let's do a quick review of the prices of a $10K account, depending on the account type that you choose. The $10K account for the Lightning Program or the Dual Program is $99. However, for the Nexus Program, it will be $79. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications for more.